Upgraded wide SUP design for better balance, measuring 10 feet 6 feet long 32 inches wide, balancing stabilizing on top of our SUP board is a breeze. Construction materials drop stitch, reinforced engineered PVC. Soft, stable anti-slip top deck. Perfect for beginners, we've upgraded this inflatable paddleboard with a no-slip soft top that cushions your fall when slips or accidents occur. They happen to the best of us, so might as well be prepared. Best paddling maneuverability. Outfitted with triple bottom panel fins, steering handling the stand-up inflatable paddleboards is incredibly easy, offering exceptional surf control. You'll be gliding skimming the water like a sea creature. Portable inflatable SUP board. 100% travel-friendly, this unique SUP inflatable paddleboard is preferred by those who have a knack for adventure. Take it with you on surfing excursions or keep it in your car for those times you want to explore. All-in-one blow-up paddleboard kit. Complete with all must-have paddleboard accessories, our SUP paddleboard will have you ready to hit the waves. Includes 106 board, coiled ankle cuff safety leash, upgraded aluminium paddle, patch repair accessory kit. Top reviews from the United States. Loved this paddleboard more than traditional boards. We looked for a while before purchasing this board because we were skeptical about a paddleboard that you pump up, but we like it better than traditional boards. It takes maybe 10 minutes to pump up with the pump that comes with it. This was a perfect fit for our family because the SereneLife Inflatable stand-up paddleboard, 6 inches thick, universal SUP wide stance with bottom fin for paddling and surf control, non-slip deck, comes in its own bag with a pump, paddle and leash. Regular boards don't come with the leash, you have to buy a rack for your vehicle and a paddle. You also have to have somewhere to store your board when not in use. My children, 6 and 7, liked this board because of the non-slip deck. It held at highest at 360 pounds with no problems. It's sturdy and not heavy or awkward to carry. It's easy to deflate and roll up to put back in the bag. It's easy to store. I highly recommend this board.